Hello transformation. In today's video I will be recreating the Sultry eye makeup tutorial. If you guys haven't already, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay guys, in today's video I will be using Envy's eyeshadow palette by Me Rose. Now this one is kind of giving you the rose gold eyeshadow look. So as you guys saw in the beginning of the video, I chose a video from the content creator of recreating sultry eyes, and mostly the color that she used, mostly natural. It's like a rose gold base. So I'm blending two colors of a nude and a reddish nude color, and I'm going to blend those two colors out. So I'm just blending, and I'm also blending in towards the end of my eye, and I'm going to use a nude color in the center of my eye to achieve the look as the creator slash model. And I'm blending it out. I was really nervous about doing this, but I said, you know what, I have to step out of my comfort zone, so I did. So now I'm going to use some tape so I can blend out the color so it can look very natural and clean. So I'm applying the tape. And now I'm going to use my liquid eyeliner by Kiss Professional New York in the color black. So I'm going to sketch it out like from the outer corner of my eye and going all the way into my inner corner of my eye. So I'm just blending it in so you guys can see. So I'm just going back and forth. So I'm just making sure that everything looks very clean and precise. Now I'm going to use some eyeshadow. I'm going to use some black. I'm going to kind of like smooth it out some with some black eyeshadow. So I'm just like blending it out. Blend, blend, blend. And I'm just making sure that the colors are blended all the way out. So I'm blending, I'm blending, I'm blending. I'm going to remove the tape. And then you see how clean the eyeliner looks. It looks very natural. I just went back in and blend some eyeshadow where the eyeliner is. So I just blend it out to make sure that everything is precise and good. And then now I'm going to put some concealer. I'm going to use my my Kiss Professional New York Warm Coconut 345. And I apply it right underneath my eyes and my under my eyes and under the wing. So I did get a brush and I start blending out the concealer. So now I'm just blending it out. And after that, I'm going to start applying some eyeshadow towards the bottom of my lash line so it can look very smooth and precise. So I really did use like the end of my brush, like an angle brush, but smaller. And I went in with some mascara because I'm taking a break from lashes. And this is the eyeshadow palette that I use in today's tutorial. And this is the look, but not only the look. Are you ready? The finished look. So this is the finished look of my Sultry Eyes makeup tutorial. I hope you guys did enjoy. Don't forget to please like, share, and subscribe. and get this video up to 100 views. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.